Hi, Denary. So I wanted to make a video to show you how to access your content that you've already submitted. So what you'll do is you'll go to Blackboard, and you can actually access it from where you submitted it. So I can't recall what class you're in, but I'm just going to go to a random class. So whenever you go, I'm going to put it in this what's called student preview. Although I don't think that'll work because I won't be able to. I haven't submitted anything. But let me just say, for example, so you would go to the actual assignment, and when you go to the assignment, you'll click on where you actually uploaded the document, and you should be able to download it from there. So you'll actually um, download what you submitted to your computer. And so even if you don't have that document, you can always access it online via Blackboard by going directly to the assignment and using that ellipse. I think you use the ellipse out to the side, the three dots, to download it. Check that out and let me know if you are able to access them.